Presentation on Web Services. Presented by Rajesh Paraduri. Agenda. What is web service? How? Web service work. Why web services need? Types of web service. Web services. Advantages web services architecture. Web services characteristics. Literature. Survey implementation using RESTful web service. Conclusion. What is web services? Web service is a standardized medium to propagate communication between the client and server applications on the World Wide Web. A web service is a software module that is designed to perform a certain set of tasks. Web services can be searched for over the network and can also be invoked accordingly. When invoked, the web service would be able to provide the functionality to the client, which invokes that web service. How web service work? The above diagram shows a very simplistic view of how a web service would actually work. The client would invoke a series of web service calls via requests to a server which would host the actual web service. Why web services need? Modern day business applications use a variety of programming platforms to develop web-based applications. Some applications may be developed in Java, others in .NET, while some other in AngularJS, Node.js, etc. Most often than not, these heterogeneous applications need some sort of communication to happen between them. Since they are built using different development languages, it becomes really difficult to ensure accurate communication between applications. Here is where web services come in. Web services provide a common platform that allows multiple applications built on various programming languages to have the ability to communicate with each other. Types of web services. Web services. 1. SOAP web services. 2. RESTful web services. SOAP. SOAP is known as a Transport Independent Messaging Protocol. SOAP is based on transferring XML data as SOAP messages. Each message has something which is known as an XML document. Only the structure of the XML document follows a specific pattern, but not the content. The best part of web services in SOAP is that it's all sent via HTTP, which is the standard web protocol. CUN. RESTful. A RESTful API is an architectural style for an application interface API that uses HTTP requests to access and use data. It is not a programming language. REST defines a set of architectural principles by which you can design web services that focus on a system's resources, including how resource states are addressed and transferred over HTTP by a wide range of clients written in different languages. CUN. SOAP REST. SOAP is a protocol. REST is an architectural style. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. SOAP can't use REST because it is a protocol. REST can use SOAP web services because it is a concept and can use any protocol like HTTP. SOAP. JAX WS is the Java API for SOAP web services. JAX RS is the Java API for RESTful web services. SOAP permits XML data format only. REST permits different data formats such as plain text, HTML, XML, JSON, etc. SOAP uses services interfaces to expose the business logic. REST uses URI to expose business logic. SOAP is less preferred than REST. REST more preferred than SOAP. SOAP vs REST. Web services advantage. Exposing business functionality on the network of web service is a unit of managed code that provides some sort of functionality to client applications or end users. This functionality can be invoked over the HTTP protocol, which means that it can also be invoked over the internet. Nowadays, all applications are on the internet, which makes the purpose of web services more useful. That means the web service can be anywhere on the internet and provide the necessary functionality as required. Interoperability amongst applications. Web services allow various applications to talk to each other and share data and services among themselves. All types of applications can talk to each other. So instead of writing specific code which can only be understood by specific applications, you can now write generic code that can be understood by all applications. A standardized protocol which everybody understands. Web services use standardized industry protocol for the communication. All the 4 layers, service transport, XML messaging, service description, and service discovery layers, uses well-defined protocols in the web services protocol stack. Reduction in cost of communication. Web services use SOAP over HTTP protocol, so you can use your existing low-cost internet for implementing web services. Web service architecture. 1. Service provider. This is the provider of the web service. The service provider implements the service and makes it available on the internet. 2. Service requester. This is any consumer of the web service. The requester utilizes an existing web service by opening a network connection and sending an XML request. 3. Service registry. This is a logically centralized directory of services. The registry provides a central place where developers can publish new services or find existing ones. It therefore serves as a centralized clearinghouse for companies and their services. Web services characteristics. 1. They are XML-based web services uses XML to represent the data at the representation and data transportation layers. Using XML eliminates any networking, operating system, or platform sort of dependency since XML is the common language understood by all. 2. Loosely coupled. Loosely coupled means that the client and the web service are not bound to each other, which means that even if the web service changes over time, it should not change the way the client calls the web service. Adopting a loosely coupled architecture tends to make software systems more manageable and allows simpler integration between different systems. 3. Synchronous or asynchronous functionality. Synchronicity refers to the binding of the client to the execution of the service. In synchronous operations, the client will actually wait for the web service to complete an operation. An example of this is probably a scenario wherein a database read and write operation are being performed. If data is read from one database and subsequently written to another, then the operations have to be done in a sequential manner. Asynchronous operations allow a client to invoke a service and then execute other functions in parallel. This is one of the common and probably the most preferred techniques for ensuring that other services are not stopped when a particular operation is being carried out. 4. Ability to support remote procedure calls. RPCs. Web services enable clients to invoke procedures, functions, and methods on remote objects using an XML-based protocol. Remote procedures expose input and output parameters that a web service must support. 5. Supports document exchange. One of the key benefits of XML is its generic way of representing not only data but also complex documents. These documents can be as simple as representing a current address, or they can be as complex as representing an entire book. Literature survey. According to Snell, 2004, the main difference REST and SOAP is first, one uses the resource-oriented approach, the latter uses activity-oriented approach. At fundamental, REST exposes entities as resource which can be modified by using the standard methods where WS asterisk specification specifies the possible activities on the entities which client can't understand. In SOA, the service implementations are responsible for the activities on entities. The author Snell 2004 specified that both integration styles are coexist each other, choosing one over the other depends on the application requirements. Richardson Ruby 2007 compares the two integration styles by considering the functionalities, protocols and its alternatives. Clients send the request which is encapsulated in HTTP POST request to the service end which provides the services. Clients can get the information about the executed operation and its scope in the response. Due to limited use of the HTTP, SOA don't provide the complete benefits to the service consumers, whereas uses the complete functionalities of HTTP as a part of the application. Snehal et al. Proposed that the RESTful web services are better than SOAP-based web services. Network traffic, high latency and message size is not in case of RESTful web services compared to SOAP-based web services. Implementation. Form, XML. RESTful web service using Spring Boot. Execution. Index page. Contact us page. Admin login. Student registration. Professor registration. Update course. View course details. View attendance. View student marks. Conclusion. Use of RESTful web service is very easy and it helps us to do our task in a systematic manner by providing confidentiality, integrity and availability. Education Solution is a web-based application which is like ERP, Enterprise Resources Planning, that manages all the functionality of the university via internet like student web portal, class time scheduling and many more so that it reduces manual work of the university and works it in computerized way. In these days, ERP systems are very high in cost to maintain database, so SR Education Solution will be available in very less amount as compared to ERP system and it is highly reliable in maintaining database on a less amount.